Okay, let's talk about sacred energy exchange, also known as SEX. It's commonly known that when we kiss people, we are sharing our saliva, which means that we are sharing DNA information. And, hi. So just understand that when you're intimate with someone, you are basically sharing your DNA with them. Now, this is why retention is important, because when it comes to tantric intercourse, when you understand the three types of tantras that are performed, there's the black tantra, which is a quick, rough, there's no love attached to it when it comes to intimacy, and that is not good for you. And then there's also the gray, which is basically, it's essentially the same thing, just not as I guess you could say, quick. And then there's the white tantra. Now, the white tantra is the most important one because it's long-lasting, pure, romantic, non-violent. And the difference is the aura of the two partners combined when love is present and flowing, and can increase the life of both partners, as opposite to the black tantra, which drains the life force of the couple. So it's commonly known that Bruce Lee practiced semen retention. And even today, many fighters and boxers will retain their fluids for months at a time. And this strengthens the mind, the body, and it energizes the body and keeps the mind motivated and uplifted. So yes, this is why retention is highly important. And also who you are choosing to have as a sexual partner also matters, because this is why there's a lot of energy vampirism going on, where we're just wasting our energy, other people are using our energy. And also that's why when you get into a relationship, you don't want to be in it for the wrong reasons.